Well, good morning all, it's Sam here. Special day today actually. We're still in Malta, pretty bay, but guess what? Good news. We're flying back home today, thank God for this. And the great thing is we're actually flying back on a private jet. It's called an air ambulance, but it's a private jet. It's a Bombardier jet, so it's going to fly direct here to Melbourne with about 4 stops along the way. Okay, and we're going to head off this way and head towards the airport very shortly, and we'll catch up with you at the airport. Okay, talk to you then. Well, we're all in the ambulance now, and we're heading towards the airport now for the private jet to fly back to Australia, Melbourne. The team has been really good today and very professional. And like I said, it's the experience that we all have to go through. Unfortunately, I hope not one day, but if we go through it, it's the experience, believe me. So we are now heading towards the Maltese airport, Loire International Airport, which is about 20 minutes from here. And we'll go from there. Okay, so the team, as you can see, very professional team. Do the job very well and very professional. Okay, and yep, so I'll check in with you shortly when I'm back on near the aircraft, or whenever I have a chance to record something. See you then. Well, we just went through customs here at Malta, immigration, passport checks and pat-down searches. Must have family members there as well. Okay, I wasn't expecting to see them. But anyway, yeah, we're on our way to the aircraft now and to board and head our journey towards south towards Melbourne. We're doing about 3 to 4 stops along the way, and we'll go from there. Until then, I'll check in with you shortly. At the point to meet the aircraft, and we're about to board there shortly. The aircraft is still refueling, so we're just waiting the safe distance to be loaded on the plane, and then we'll start to prepare ourselves to head towards Melbourne. Okay, as you can see, the aircraft is refueling. There's the actual refueling hose, and it can take anything up to about 20 minutes to half an hour. I'll see a bit full tank today, so it'll be about a good half an hour.
take off it 46,700, which is and the wheel speed 125, 138, 146, 174. Like we are getting 4.9, 3.7.
As you can hear now, the engines are now starting up for the jet, and we'll give it a bit of a warm up, and then they'll start taxiing off the runway. Hopefully it's to take off towards Harfar, which is the northeast of Malta, and we'll go from there. Okay, so as you can hear, they're all starting up. Okay, we're all buckled in now in the seats, and nice and luxury seats in this aircraft. It's like a VIP jet, I suppose. Flown with this many years ago. As you can see now, we're taxiing off to the runway, as you can see shortly. Here we go, taking off. the back is actually in front for a microwave, and a coffee facility, you can see, to make coffee and so on. So it's great service. It's food-wise, pizzas and warmable foods in the microwave, muffins and biscuits and sort of stuff. So there is food on board. We haven't had any yet, but let's go later on the journey we will. So yeah, it's a luxury life for a private jet. Okay guys, it's me here again. We're in the air, but we're descending to our first stop in Pakistan. So it's been about 7 hours, or sorry, 6 hours and 20 minutes flight. So we're actually about to land now, and there's a descent now to the airport. It's been a good flight, smooth, no dramas, very comfortable, very professional staff and everything, so I'm pretty happy and happy with the service as well. So I'll get back to you very shortly once we're about to land to get a picture of the landing if I may. Till then, catch you later. As you can see now, background that we about to land into Pakistan. Well, near Pakistan, it's very close. Well, I'll call it Pakistan. Yeah, so we'll be here for about an hour, hour and a half to refuel the aircraft, and then we'll be on our way towards Bali actually. So with Jakarta. So we'll be going down our way and do the same thing: refuel, wait, and fly again. So yeah, so I'll also get some snapshots in the window, show you a bit of lighting and off the ground. We'll go from there, okay? About to land now, about 30 seconds. Yes, we have made it to our first destination. Good landing, and like I said, we'll be here for an hour and a half refueling. Until then, we're going to take off. Okay, we're about to take off now from Pakistan and fly to Bali, which is 7 hours and 20 minutes flight from here. As you can hear, the roar of the engines of this private jet roaring towards the sky, take us to Jakarta. And in a second we're seeing the takeoff. So there you go, you see it now, and that's us in the air, and we're heading towards Bali. Okay, me and my have a nap around and catch up some beauty sleep. We had some pizza before, so dinner will be served shortly, I hope, and we'll go from there. But until then, I talk to you soon. I'm Sam. Hi. Well, everybody, just woken up from sleep, and we're still mid-air on the way to Bali. Now it's time for dinner. I've just been served my dinner, and it's okay. It's kebabs today, kebabs and rice, and chicken. It's not bad. Well, I haven't tasted it yet, but I'll give it a look in a sec. Yeah, so it looks okay, yeah. I'm sure it's okay. It's wonderful, just like all other kebabs. The team does, when they stop, they don't have aeroplane food like you have on airlines. So what they do is they pre-order stuff from outside, such as restaurants they deal with, and restaurants deliver it to the airport when they land. And the restaurants then they prepare it for you and they serve it to the nursing team here, and then they plate it up for you on a plate and they give it to you in the aeroplane. So it's a lot better quality by looking at it than aeroplane food. I'm going to dig in now and have a look if it tastes good or not. Okay. It tastes pretty good. Very good. I'm impressed on the food, on the aircraft. Very good. Well, we're got a bit of turbulence now. It's hoppy a little bit now. We're just heading towards Indonesia. So it's different climate. Of course, the hot air compared to where we were, hot and cold mix creates turbulence. And you can see the aircraft shaking in the background, but there is a bit of turbulence here at the moment. Not severe, but some. Hey all, how are you? Sam here again. Just landed in Bali. Yes, and just sitting on the tarmac here. We're not going to be here very long at all. We're going to be here for half an hour. Refuel, take some food on board, refill some water, as we run out of water in the toilets, I think. And we're going to fly to Melbourne from here. And the flight from here to Melbourne will be 6 hours and 20 minutes. And then we'll be finally in Melbourne. So we are here now in Bali, Jakarta. Okay, no time to go to the beach, no time to go nowhere, but we're here, refuel, and just get back to Melbourne. So it's a busy flight, busy schedule. Okay, until the takeoff, I'll go back to you and show you the takeoff from here. Okay, it is daylight. It's early morning here, about 6:30 in the morning. Yes, we get some good viewing from the sky as I'm flying later. Okay, as you can see in the background, already starting to take on some new pilots coming on board the plane. Change because the other ones have done 2 flights, so now there's new crew, and they'll go from there. Okay, until then, talk to you shortly. So actually through a change of plans, them actually was allowed to leave the aircraft and go for a drive at the airport here with one of the drivers and one of the crew members. Probably go to the restroom somewhere or a bathroom. Just stretch our legs and have a look around a bit. About 30 minutes. It's all good. We cooped up in the aircraft for so long. Just a bit of a break. We're actually stopped here at the, this is the office. pretty cool office, isn't it really? We're having a bit of a break at the office here at the airport and having a coffee here, and then we'll go back to the aircraft. There's my friend here that's on the aircraft with me. He's the nurse, unfortunately. Yeah. Takes my pulse every time. No, just okay, and there's some other staff members here from the ground crew at the Bali airport. Yeah. Yes. So we're all here waiting now and go past on. I'll wait in a sec. We're actually sitting here actually at the office, and guess what? They're watching my videos on YouTube. They expect this one at Bali. And so they're watching my videos, enjoying my Australian ones. See you everybody, nice to see you in Bali, and I'll see you next time, okay? Keep watching my videos. So we're heading back to the plane now, the jet, and just had our coffee. Still a little break, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Now we're heading back before the captain starts to worry where we're going. We're actually heading back to the jet now, as you can see in the background in a sec. That's going to fly us back to Melbourne, Australia. 6 hours flight apparently, not 6:20, 6 hours flight. Got a new crew on board.
Halo. Itu paspor udah belum tadi? Lupa gua ambil.
You can see walking towards the aircraft now. There's the captain. There's the captain. Okay, make it up now. There's new food, we've got some new food here. Well, how are you guys? Back again, and we're actually taxiing off now with our private jet to Melbourne. A bit of a queue. Background, a few aircraft there, so probably number 4 or number 5 before we hit the actual piano keys they call on the runway before takeoff. So we're actually heading that way, and I'll get back to you in a sec when I'm actually at the actual piano keys about to take off. No video from there, okay? Catch you soon. We're actually here at the, not the piano keys quite yet, but at the entry point before the piano keys, the runway, giving way to an aircraft coming in now for landing. After he lands, I think we go first. There's 3 more up before us, but they're heavy aircrafts and they're slower, so this is a faster aircraft. So I would say he will go in first before these guys here. So find out. He's almost touching down here, this person, so I don't know if you can see him. Have a look, I'll show you. As you can see, aircrafts in the background there. Yep, we're going in before these guys. Yes, we are. There we go. Yes, we're actually going to be going for them, so here we go on the runway now. Turning onto the piano keys, entry point, and on the runway, we're actually on it about now. So here we go. Bye bye Bali. Here we go, you hear the roaring of engines. Here we go everybody. Bye bye Bali. Oh boy, it's a fast aircraft this one. It's moving. We're in the air now. Here's that going up in a second. Here, pumping. There you go, we're all up now, and we're off now, and we're on bound to Melbourne. I'll put this camera back on just before landing in Melbourne, and I'll take it from there, okay? Till then, talk to you later. Okay, all the way, I'm back here again. We've got about 3.5 hours left to go if we're on in Melbourne. Smooth flight, as you can see outside. It's nice and smooth, blue skies, beautiful weather. So I'm just sitting here at the back and just with the crew members. As you can see, 2 crew members there. How long have you been working? How long have you been working for the company for? How long have you been working for this company?
How long?
Yeah.
I know almost 5 years.
5 years now.
Same.
5 years.
Yeah.
Are you always together?
Not always.
Not always?
We have 15 nurses, 15 doctors, so
Yeah.
sometimes it changes.
Right, okay. It's a good job, huh?
But thank you.
Yeah. We fly all over the world and we get to see many places for a day. 24 hours. Then you fly back out again. So it's better than nothing, isn't it really? So, I mean, Australia's far away from Malta. It's a long way. No, stop one passenger. Yeah, long way. So we're almost there now. So, God bless. Everything will be all good, and if you get there on time, and then it's bye bye to you guys until your next stop. We're actually flying into Australia on the Perth side. Port Campbell up top there, so we're coming in that way to Melbourne. So about 3.5 hours up here. We're just at the tip of Australia right now. As I show you now, there's a tip. Port Campbell up down there, and we're just entering Australia. We're just entering Australia now. So this is the guy's second time to Australia, and don't spend too much time yet. They spend probably about 24 hours at the most to rest, and then they get flown out for the next stop. They've already told me they're going to the next stop. They're going back to Thailand this time, and they're going to Phuket to pick up the passenger there, and then they're going to fly that passenger back to Europe. So it's a big thing for the flying doctors and the air ambulance. So they're actually on the go all the time. They're on the move. Really good job.
So I had good plans whatsoever. Lunch today was fantastic. There was breakfast here at the time. Same with this nice fruit with barley. So it was pretty good. And I've got no good plans like I said. But until then, I prefer you guys be landing into Melbourne Airport and we'll say goodbye then. Okay? Until then, talk to you shortly. From Sam, Tim Sam, talk to you later.
Well, welcome back. We are about to land in Melbourne Marine Airport. Yes, we are. Finally got here, and it's rough as hell at the moment. It's a bit bouncy, very bouncy. It's very cloudy out there. Might be thunderstorms, I'm not sure, but it's quite bouncy. So I can't really show anything from the window at this stage, but we're about to land. We're about maybe 5 minutes away, and we finish travel. I'll put the camera towards the actual window and you can have a look. I'm going to show you a bit of Melbourne now. It's coming through now a little bit. Going down now, and in the background you can see right now Melbourne City. There we go. Welcome back. We are here in Melbourne. Finally we got to see Melbourne. And a long trip, a big ordeal, but now it's almost over. Guys and girls, we just arrived. We're in Melbourne Airport. Welcome back. A bit cloudy outside, but I'm sure it's warm. It's about to be summertime here. So we'll find out when we're here to get out of the aircraft. We just got to find a parking now and park this thing and unload everything and head off to our destinations on land. That I'll see you shortly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.